Hello, Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today, in our handloom saree story section, we are going to be talking about Celestial Kanjivarams. As the festive season is upon us, Dussehra has already started, Diwali is fast approaching, so everybody is in the mood for shopping. So we thought it's appropriate this week to talk about Celestial Kanjivarams. Celestial Kanjivarams is a collection that we at Avishya have put together. Is a collection with a theme of lot of light, lot of sparkle. The entire collection, for instance, has lovely, beautiful, shiny lines and stars and spangles all over the saree. You will find Vairovisis in this collection. Beautiful collection of different motifs, all of which put together will give a celestial spectacle. If you look out on a starlit night in the sky, you will see the stars, you will see some meteorites, you will see the beams of the moon, and that's the kind of effect which if you wear one of these sarees you will get. Now let's take a look at this beautiful deep navy blue and olive green Celestial Kanjivaram saree. If you see the body of the saree, on the deep navy blue body, you have beautiful stripes of alternating sizes. There are a couple of parallel thin striped sarees. So overall, it's got a beautiful geometric, very celestial, very night sky kind of feeling. The weaver, the way he's woven the zari in this collection, it really is woven in such a way that it catches the light at any direction. Very classy olive green border on both sides, and the edges of the olive green, you have very subtle tissue zari on the edges of the border, which gives it a very tasteful and classy look. I'll just open out the saree and show you the pallu. Beautiful olive green. The green is so pretty, and then you have again the same similar things. In this, of course, there are more thicker stripes, and on the both sides of the thick four stripes, you have two parallel lines of thinner stripes. In the very end, there's a lovely little band. Again, this is the beauty of the weaving. It's very complex weaving. It's not easy to do this pattern. So this is the pallu. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Beautiful plain olive green blouse, which goes fantastically with the body of the saree. So if you want to take a look at how the whole looks together, so this is how the whole saree will look to you. Now let's take a look at this beautiful, gorgeous mustard yellow and green Celestial Kanjivaram saree. I just open out the saree for you. Lovely mustard color, and as you can see from difference, you can see the specks of light brightly glinting in the light against the backdrop of the mustard yellow. The zari is really gleaming, and if you look at it from far, it look like stars in the night. This can also be called a Vairovusi saree, and you have lovely, beautiful chakrams, and you have the mile motifs throughout the body. And if you come to the borders, you have a lovely contrast mandolir pachai border. And the green border itself has got lovely motifs. You've got madam motifs in the center. You have circular rudraksha motifs. You have beautiful floral motifs. And it's a beautiful combination of traditional and some modern motifs together. I'll just flip around the saree and show you the pallu for you. Gorgeous pallu. Beautiful green, which is really a short color. It's green and red. And if you come closer, you'll see the details. The pallu has got lovely diamond motifs in the center. Flanking it on both sides is lovely circular floral motifs, and right in the edge you have lovely line of paisley on both sides, and overall it's got a very artistic and grand and very pretty look. Yeah, now let's see what the blouse looks like. It's a beautiful short color blouse. One angle it looks green, and another angle it looks maroon, and together it looks like the short color looks like mandolir pachai. This is how the whole saree will look together. The blouse, the pallu, and the saree. Now let's take a look at this grand wine red, beautiful Celestial Kanjivaram saree. I just open out the saree for you. Yes, wow. Lovely wine red color. Got beautiful, lovely combination of floral and geometric motifs. If you see, there's a circular, if you come closer, you can see a beautiful circular motif, almost like a rudraksham, with 4 arrows pointed on that, on the 4 sides. It's a lovely, very contemporary motif. It's a perfect example of a traditional motif which has been converted into a lovely contemporary motif. Then you have the diamond motif, that's the other motif here. And overall, of course, it's got a lovely microcheck weave special weave, which is what gives it the qualification to come into the Celestial collection. Of course, this has got lovely grand border as well. If you see, the top border is a little smaller and the bottom border is a little larger. So this is traditionally called a morning evening border. It's got lovely diamond motifs in the Bavanji border, and the edging is very pretty paisley. If you come to the bottom, same pattern continues, but in a much larger size. Let's take a look at the pallu. Lovely grand zari pallu. Again, the zari glints and gleams beautifully. In the center, you got lovely oval-shaped, inside which the floral motif comes. If you come closer, you can have a look at the motif. That's the major portion of the pallu, is this motif right in the center. On both sides, this patterning is flanked by a row of elephants on both sides. After the elephant, you have a beautiful row of alternating male and elephant motifs on this side. And right on the edge, you have lovely, beautiful veil motifs in the edge in silver. And overall, it's got a very, very grand look. Let's now have a look at the blouse of the saree. It's a short color, which is the wine red and the green, both of which together gives a mandulir pachai look to the blouse. And this is how all three will look together: blouse, pallu, and on the rich wine red body. If you want to take a closer look at the saree, please come out to our store. The Avishya store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We have lovely collections of Kanjivarams here. Please come out to our store and you can find wonderful selections for your Diwali shopping. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you really enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to us. And if you hit the bell button, you will get notifications as soon as we upload new videos. Thank you.